That was loud. Alright. That was too loud. It was echo force. Alright. So, with what force will a car hit a tree if the car has a mass of 3,000 kilograms and it is accelerating at 2 meters per second squared? Okay, so what we need to try to do is F equals ma. Okay, so if F, let's see. So we need to try to find the force. Okay, so it will be 3,000 kilograms, and our A will be 2 meters per second squared. So F 3,000 times 5 2 equal to 6,000 newtons. Why? Because newtons is basically kilogram meter per second squared. So F will be 6,000 newtons. That'll be your final answer. 6,000 newtons. Okay. So now go to our next one. Review outplay. You don't want to kind of like rolling up. It work. Let me just write this outside. No, that's totally fine. Let's go to there. Okay. A 10 kilogram bowling ball will require what force to accelerate it down an alleyway at a rate of 3 meters per second squared? So 10 kilograms our mass, and then our acceleration will be 3 meters per second squared. So 10 times 3 equals 30 newtons. The force equals to 30 newtons. Okay. What is the mass of the falling bomb if it hits the ground with a force of 147 newtons? So as we can see it over here, we will need to do is force mass times gravity. So force equals mass times gravity. So we know the gravity of the Earth is 9.8 meters per second squared. So we only need to know that here, 147 newtons is our force, and gravity of onto the Earth is 9.8 meters per second squared, or known as the acceleration. So for this, we call it gravity. Don't get confused. As we can see right over here, 147. Excuse me, Dave. Equals math times by 9.8. We will need to divide 2 by 9.8, divide 2 by 9.8. Yes, okay, yeah. Let me go to the math and try to see. Let me plug this answer in. Plug it in. Let's plug it in. Okay, so 147. Plug it into your calculator. Divided by 9.8. Which you get is 15. So 15 kilograms. Because if you look at this, you stand the newtons, 147 newtons. Newtons is basically kilograms meter per second squared. No, it's not correct. Kilograms meter per second squared. So acceleration is 9.8 meters per second square. The square will cancel out. The meters will cancel out. So leaving us to kilograms. So I just want to put that out. I probably got 15 kilograms. Okay. What is the acceleration of the softball if it has a mass of 0.50 and hits a catcher's glove with a force of 25 newtons? Okay, so yeah, softball has a 0.50 kilograms. That be our mass. Other one, 25 newtons. That'd be the force. So again, when you do force, times E. The force M times E. I know what this is. For MA. Oh, this area. Okay. So now right now the 50 kilograms is our mass. The 25 is our force. And for 25 is equal to 0.5. But also we can solve for E. If I did 0.5 out of the way, you should get E to ourselves, which this should be meters per second square. So let's put that into our calculator. What is it? 25 divided by 0.5 will equal to 50 meters per second square as our acceleration. Now, we're going to go to our last 4 action here. It's the front page. What is the mass of a truck? If it is accelerating at a rate of 5 meters per second square and hits a parked car, force of 14,000 newtons. Man, that's a major crash. We know that the 5 meters per second square, we are acceleration. So acceleration is 5 meters per second square. And our force over here is 14,000 newtons. Our force is 14,000 newtons. And trying to find what is our mass of the truck. So what formula do we use? Our formula that we use is F equals M A. M. we need to kind of put this, as we can see, 14,000 newtons equals to m times 5 meters per second square. You get to 5 meters per second square. So that will cancel on that side, but whatever that you do on the one side, you gotta do it on the other side. And for Newton, just make sure that we know that Newton is kilograms meters per second square. So we know that Newton's equal to kilograms meters per second square. That's here. We should see that the meters in the second square should cancel out with each other, leaving it as kilograms. So now, okay, so we will need to put this into our calculator. 14,000 divided by 5 should equal to 2,800 kilograms. That'll be your final answer. Okay, so now let's talk about. Let's take a picture of this. Now that said, okay. So and try to see. It looks a little bit further. That looks for it's taken out Photoshop. You know what? That will do. So it looks. So write down this okay, don't worry about that. Don't worry about this. So my black marker and cover that up. Yeah, you know what? That's good. That's good. Okay, so gravity pulling you down. That's a little bit interesting. Okay, so calculate the acceleration rate under falling school supplies given the maximum weight. Remember, you can always calculate the acceleration to a force. In this case, weight to pull the gravity divided by mass. Show your work to circle your answer. Yeah, so the force can't be due to pull the gravity to fight the mass. So force I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what this is. So a book with a weight of 85.456 newtons, the mass of 8.72 kilograms. Okay, so this will be this will work. Let me try to get me. Overload. Okay, so 85.456 newtons. That will be your weight. Your mass. Right here. Okay, so mass equals weight divided by gravity. Okay, so let me see. I know that I got something. Force times by him. Writing here all this time. This thing right there. Okay. What's going on with this markup again? So, force MA 85 versus 5. But that's not correct. Look for the weight of it. I'm just going to try to do it this way. If I equals 2. Yeah, try this way. I got some other things I want to done. Night. Well. So yeah, it looks like that you have to do it. Weight divided by mass should equal your acceleration. So now, mass 5 and E. Divided by 7.84. See, this one's 9.8. So 0.8 divided by 7.84. No, that's not correct. 1.84 divided by 0.8. Gotta make sure that weight is equal to M times A. So surely have that. Or A is equal to W divided by M. So 7.84 divided by 0.8. 9.8. Yep, 9.8. A control sharp arrow with the passive 0.82. That's no weight of 9.016. Nine point one six divided by 0.92. 92 is equal to 0.92. 9.8. Okay, so 1.372 divided by 0.14. Temperature. A pencil with a mass of 0.14 kilograms and a weight of 1.372 newtons. You want to try to be fancy here. 1.372 divided by 0.4. Will be also 9.8. Remember, you can also put maybe fancy meter per second square. Asking us is that. A glove with a weight of 24.5 newtons, 24.5 newtons divided by, and a mass of 2.5 kilograms. 2.5 divided by 2.5. Yeah, I did put that one in there. And that should go 9.8. And okay, you're going to put meters per second square. Let's do you again. A clipboard with a weight of 11.76 newtons and a mass of 1.2 kilograms. Well, 1.76 by 1.2. 11.76 divided by 1.2. So you go 9.8 meters per second square. And my last one is a school bus. The 13,608 kilograms and weight 133,358 newtons. Is a big one, so we gotta go with 13,608 divided by But forget about the 0.4. 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 8. 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 8. No, I gotta put down opposite. Fonts. Put them on the opposite sides. 3, 3, 3, 5, 8 divided by 1, 3, 6, 0, 8. Now we gotta put the 4. 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 8.4. 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 8.4 divided by 13, 6, 0, 8. Right, equal to 9.8 meters per second square. Great. Just got that done.
Understanding that, getting right?
Yeah.
Great. Stay focused. I'll be right back. Eat at 6:30.
All right.
All right?
Yep.
Stay focused.